Today I'm attempting something that might be a terrible idea. I'm solo ice fishing in 50-kilometer-an-hour winds. I'm in a wind warning with gusts up to 70 kilometers an hour, having an epic day, catching a ton of perch and a huge walleye here in Alberta, Canada. I'm challenging my limits, having some fun, and taking you along on the adventure. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. It's not even straight. I don't know if you can see. This is crazy. I gotta give up on this ice fishing tent. The tie-down straps and anchors are doing nothing. I want to stay out here. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up for. Holy crap, it's cold. The wind is biting. It's only supposed to be like 0 degrees Celsius, but it's much colder in this wind, and it's relentless. Oh, I can't get the shelter up, so I got no way of really staying warm. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Just dropped the Shinecam down. Tip up blew over. It's crazy, dude. Ooh, it would have been a really nice day today if the wind wasn't so damn bad. Yeah, I'm not skunked, guys. Just dropped a perch hook down, and just seconds later got this little guy. We'll get him off and send him back home. Goes. Just had another hit. Nope, not that time. There's a hit. There's a hit. Might have one, guys. Yeah. Woohoo! Number 3. There you go. There's another one. Woohoo! That's a nicer one, I think. Oops, there he goes. There we go. There's another one. Woohoo! Nope. Well, at least we're having some fun now, guys. Made it worthwhile in this dang wind. It's freezing. I stuck my gloves in the slush and it's frozen wet gloves now. Fish on. Oh, Oh, that's the biggest one yet. Sick. There he goes. There's one. Where did it get off? Yeah, no, got off. There's one on. Oh yeah, there we go, getting a bit bigger. There he goes. We're on him now, guys. Might be another one. Yoo-hoo! There he goes. No, it just got off. Dang it. Things are happening now, guys. There we go. Woohoo! Another one. Yeah. See that, guys? Woohoo! That's a big one, guys. Now, guys. Must be a pike. It's taking me for a ride. Gotta be a pike. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, Wally! Yeah! Woohoo! Heck yeah! That's a nice one. Look at that fish. Sure pretty. Let's go. Woo! There he goes. Yes! That was awesome, guys. Yes! What a day this turned out to be. What a day. Probably the perch might be scared away now. If you enjoy seeing fishing trips in crazy conditions like this, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Might be another one on. Nope. Got off. Dang it. Let's see if we can get another one. The wind is making it hard to tell the bites. Fish on. Woohoo! There he goes. There's one there though. Not hitting the tip up though, so that was fun to catch that walleye, guys. Fish on. Oh yeah, baby, woohoo! Man, oh man, I'm losing count, guys. This is great. a pretty little fish. There he goes. Might be a nicer one. Yeah, another one, guys. Yes. Yes. There's another one. Whoops. There he goes. There's one. Another one. Yeah, buddy. Oops, he's gone. Just spat off at the hole. Oh, guys. That was wild. What a wild day. This has been great. There we go. I think I got one. Yahoo! Another one. Jeez Louise. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, guys. There he goes. Can you catch fish in 50-kilometer-an-hour winds when you're ice fishing? Turns out that you can. It's sure not easy, but today was totally worth it. I almost gave up early on, guys. That wind was dreadful when I was trying to set up the gear, but I guess my perseverance paid off. Ended up having an absolutely awesome day out here on the ice. If you have made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching, and if this was your first time here, please hit subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, guys, and so having your support means the world to me. And if you like the video too, please share this out with your like-minded friends. Maybe they'll enjoy this kind of stuff too. But as always, I'll wrap this one as I usually do. If this was your first time here and you like outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, please hit that like, that subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Until next time, we'll see you outdoors. If you like this video, make sure you check out the DC Outdoors YouTube channel where we have more videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventures, make sure you click subscribe so you get notifications.